Hey guys, welcome back. It's Deb and Mom for the 12 days of Christmas, and I'm quite sure this is day 11.
But we're not sure.
we're trying our best. I hope you've enjoyed all these Christmas cookies and treats that we've made. And today we have a traditional, really a traditional Christmas treat, and that is peanut butter blossoms. Peanut butter blossoms are a peanut butter cookie that it has a Hershey's Kiss right in the middle of it. And my recipe is a little bit different because it only uses 5 ingredients. So let me walk you through those few ingredients really quick here. What we're going to need is peanut butter. We're going to use sugar and an egg, some vanilla extract, and of course, Hershey's Kisses. And really that's all we're going to need for this recipe. So this is a nice quick cookie recipe, and I think that you'll really enjoy it. Let's start by, let me say a few more things. I am going to mix it using a hand mixer. So we have our lined cookie sheet. We have some extra sugar here on a plate to roll the cookies in, and that gives them that burst of sweetness.
Yes.
Yeah, when you put it in your mouth, so super yummy. To portion our cookies, this makes about 18. We're going to use our little cookie scoops, and I think that's about it.
Should be.
You ready to get started?
I guess so, yes.
Okay, let's do it. All right. I got the easy job. I'm going to add the sugar and the peanut butter. I'll let you go in there. Mom's adding the vanilla and the egg. I've even made these when I didn't have vanilla and skipped the vanilla. So if I just wanted peanut butter cookies. So, you know, it's a pretty forgiving little recipe. And you can see, like Mom, you can tell where I got my baking skills because Mom also cracks an egg. She's like, what are you going to say? Cracks an egg in a different container. So it's just smart. That way you don't get any shells.
If you grew up on a farm, you always do this.
And that's not a story we're going to tell today. Shoot. So that's all we're going to need for this. So let me quickly just give this a whiz using our hand mixer. Mom's going to work over there and start peeling some of the foil off the Hershey's Kisses, and let's see how we do. I start this on low because I want it to incorporate without me wearing all the sugar, because that will be the first thing that would happen.
Or the egg.
Or the egg. Yeah, I don't want to wear that either. So, gosh, look at that. It's already come together. I want to make sure I scrape the bottom really quick. The beaters along the bottom, I should say. Just to make sure all the sugar is incorporated. So, you know, if you wanted to stop there and you had someone with a wheat allergy, a gluten allergy, this would be a good cookie for them because there's no flour in it. Okay. I'm going to lift this really carefully and see if I can. All right. Let's see. I'm going to whack this on the edges to get rid of some of this. And
each other.
Yeah, I don't think that's enough. Yeah. Let's see. Where's my spatula? How about a spoon? Let me get all of the batter off the beaters. Real quick. Into the sink it goes. Wonderful. Okay. So next, Mom and I are going to don our gloves. And you don't have to wear gloves, but it just stays so much cleaner. And I just think that's, for me, it's a good idea.
It's a good idea for everybody.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. And then we're going to use our little scoops here. And, you know, again, these are nice, rich treats. You don't want to make them too big, so less is more. We just want to roll them, and I'm just going to pop it in the sugar. And we're looking for about, there's going to be about 18, depending on the size that we make it. I think my scoop is a tiny bit bigger than Mom's scoop.
I'll be sure to get yours instead of mine.
Yeah.
When I eat them.
There you go. Mom wants the big cookies. But it's good that we're getting all the cookies. Then we'll know exactly how many of the chocolate to take out of the foil. So we're gonna finish this up. Just follow along. Okay guys, into the oven they go. 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay guys, the timer just went off, so Mom's gonna pull the cookies out of the oven.
Ooh, don't they look good?
Oh goodness. That looks amazing. Okay, now we want them to set here for about 10 minutes, but we need to put our kisses on while it's still warm. And we just want to lightly press them into each cookie. And boy, these look good. In fact, I'm going to bring the camera over and show you how the cookies kind of crack when Mom's pressing in the chocolate. I'll be right there. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. And trying to keep my dad away from these cookies has been a bit of a challenge. Here's a little known fact. During the COVID, I had COVID really bad. And I lost my sense of smell. I can't smell anything. So Dad's been like, I smell cookies. I smell peanut butter cookies. I'm like, I'm glad somebody can smell them, Dad. I can smell some things, but apparently not peanut butter cookies. So we're gonna put these on they're just almost.
Come from this side because
I'm left-handed, it's harder.
I know. Turn around.
We're gonna let these cool the rest of the way, except for the ones we're gonna taste test, of course. So Mom, if you wanna pick a cookie, I'm gonna take that one. And we're gonna let the rest of these cool, and then we're gonna put them on our platter. And boy, do we have quite the collection of cookies and treats this year. There we go. One more. Put them right there. Okay. Give it a taste, Mom. Let me know what you think. You good?
Really good.
Dad's gonna be jealous. Now I have chocolate all over my face.
I know.
Guys, these are good. That sugar on the outside gives it that pop of sweetness when you put it in your mouth. And of course they are melty right now and still warm from the oven. Delicious.
Really good. I'd eat more, but I wait for to get off camera.
Yes, we'll wait till we're off camera for that. But hey, thanks for joining us today. 12 Days of Christmas. You'll find this all the information below for this recipe. Click over to the blog as well. It has some tips, some different ideas on it too. bowlmeover.com. We have one more to bring you tomorrow, and we're gonna see you soon. I think that's it.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays. Thank you.